So here demonstrating automatic rain operated back cover system. So here we have interfaced these two servo motors to the Arduino Uno board at 8 and 9 pins, and this rain sensor which we have attached to the Arduino Uno board at A0 pin directly. And this is the power supply adapter which we are going to provide 12 volts input to the system, and this will regulate the 12 volts DC to 5 volts DC as the operating voltage for the sensor, and the servo motor and Uno is the 5 voltage only. So let us see the demonstration. Okay, right, now let us see the demonstration. Just give the power supply to that and automatically goes to the normal condition. And whenever the rain detects, rain droplets are occurred on this one, right, so till the water droplets over there, then this is cover the system, and we can see that when the droplets detects, then one other yellow light will get switched on. So now I'm wiping off that water, right, you can see that the light gone, and now again, right.